regional head office in here for El Salvador government. And then we are talking to El Salvador government that we're going to hosting a trade summit event in El Salvador's National Library. For people who don't know that, the library is donated by the China government. It's one of the beautiful library in El Salvador in the tourist area. Somewhere around, for sure, yeah. So anyway, this is very, very exciting because the library will be first time ever we're hosting a trade summit event over there. And that library is like the churches for the government. So they're using that, to attract right here, for attracting a lot of visitors to go to El Salvador. So within the library, 5 kilometers, they call that all is tourism area. So if you go there, you open anything related to tourism, you don't have to pay any tax to the government.